Some of the toughest dirt hides where ordinary brushes simply cannot reach, and that is exactly where this corner brush proves its value. Designed to tackle tight spaces, sharp angles, and curved surfaces, it brings precision and power together to make deep cleaning more effective and far less frustrating. From the first use, it becomes clear how much easier detailed cleaning can be with the right attachment. Built with durable polypropylene bristles, this brush is made for tough scrubbing applications without sacrificing control. The bristles are flexible yet sturdy, allowing them to adapt to uneven surfaces while still delivering the agitation needed to remove grime, residue, and buildup. Its hollow design is especially effective, allowing the bristles to collapse inward and form a small, focused cleaning point that reaches into corners, crevices, and narrow gaps where dirt often accumulates. The threaded shank securely holds the brush in place during use, ensuring stable performance and confidence while scrubbing. When paired with water or a mild cleaning solution, it works efficiently on grout lines, sinks, fixtures, tire rims, metal spokes on motorcycles, athletic gear, and many other indoor and outdoor surfaces. This versatility makes it a practical addition for household cleaning, automotive care, and equipment maintenance. Designed to work seamlessly with the power scrubber system, this attachment expands your cleaning reach without requiring extra effort. It is especially useful in areas that standard round or flat brushes cannot fully access, helping you achieve more consistent and thorough results. Instead of leaving dirt behind in corners, you can now clean with precision and confidence. Developed as part of the Dremel Versa cleaning system, this corner brush reflects a focus on smart design and real-world usability. If you want to improve your cleaning results in hard-to-reach areas, check the product link in the video description to learn more and make your purchase. Subscribe to the channel to discover more practical tools that help you clean smarter and more efficiently.